if you want to make more friends, if you want to be more comfortable with social awkwardness, you want to be more comfortable with rejection, you got to cultivate a mindset of abundance, okay? I just came up with the term before shooting this video. Usually people talk about that in the context of money. I'm talking about it in the context of friendship, social interactions. So mindset is a big thing, right? It's something I talk about a lot. A lot of people are quite negative, especially about themselves, and like, oh, you know, I'm not worthy of friends. I'm afraid people are going to think I'm boring or awkward. That's nonsense. It's a limiting belief that you got to get rid of, okay? So that's one mindset issue. And the one we're going to talk about today is the abundance thing. Most people see strangers purely as strangers. You're surrounded by strangers. Everyone's a stranger. That's all they mean to you is just a stranger. But the fact is, every stranger is a potential friend. I'm not saying you're going to be friends with everyone, okay? In fact, you should be selective. But the more people you meet, the more likely you are to make a friend, okay? So if you only meet one person every 3 months and it doesn't work out with that person, then of course you're going to be, oh man, how am I going to make a friend? But even if you're busy, you can meet more people. You can, at least once a week, you can probably find the time to socialize, meet some more people. And, you know, I have tips on how to do that in other videos and in my newsletter, which you can subscribe to. There's a link for it down below. Because that's what I do. I'm trying to help you make friends, right? And it's about quantity at first. It's about quantity. You can worry about quality later, okay? So let's say you interact with someone, it doesn't work out. Maybe you text a bunch of people to hang out, they all ignore you, they don't want to hang out. Hey, listen, maybe you know no one likes you and you're the problem. It could be, okay? Usually, I've talked about this in another video, usually that is not true. People like you more than you think they do. But you know, it could be true, so you know, I'm not gonna completely discount that. But even if you know you only get along with 1 out of 100 people, that's pretty good. You meet 10 people every week, and after about 2 months, you've made a friend. If you apply the tips that I share here in my videos and in my newsletter, it's going to help you a lot. If you want me to help you one-on-one, I do coaching as well. You can sign up for my newsletter, and you'll get a link to book a free call with me. But really, essentially, it's about quantity. Just meet more people, and yeah, if an interaction doesn't go well, if you have this abundance mindset, you realize, well, doesn't matter. I'll just, you know, move on to the next social opportunity. It's just like meeting women. I'm not a dating coach, but you know, people will tell you, dating coaches will tell you, it's a numbers game, right? You just ask out 100 women, probably a few of them will say yes, but you got to ask out at least one, and most men don't even ask out one woman in you know the whole year. So same thing with friendship, except honestly, it's supposed to be a lot less scary. You know, just like text someone like, hey, want to hang out? You know, it's like, it's not a big deal. So yeah, that's the thing. You gotta develop an abundance mindset. That's how I would phrase it. And I think these are all my thoughts about the topic today. Every stranger is a potential friend. Remember that. Talk to people. Go out there and make some friends.